Introducing Flowplant's range of Harbon duct desilting equipment. These machines are available in both trailer and van-mounted versions. Manufactured in the UK, this equipment is used within the telecoms industry for the unblocking and removal of silt from within the underground duct network. This avoids the need to carry out expensive excavations to access and remove blockages. All of Flowplant's duct desilting machines use the very latest emission-compliant diesel engines and are fitted with our very own Harbon desilting technology. This is totally unique and has the ability to run dry without damaging the pump itself. The other unique feature on the Harbon desilting pump is our jump jet pulse system. This pulse system allows lengths of up to 500 meters to be cleaned from just one access point, while at the same time operating at low pressure and low flow, removing the risk of cable damage during the unblocking process. Personal protective equipment requirements for this type of activity include steel toe-capped boots or steel toe-capped Wellingtons, a waterproof suit, gloves, hard hat with face visor, and ear protection. Our engineers start by deploying barriers to ensure that the area is contained and safe. We then use suitable lifting equipment for the safe removal of the manhole covers. A gas test is carried out to ensure that no hazardous gases are present within the system. Here we see that this box is contaminated with dirty water. A dip test is conducted to ensure that no oil contaminants are present. We then deploy the Flowplant suction jet pump. This removes all of the dirty water to a suitable discharge location. The suction jet pump is capable of moving 350 liters per minute. The desilter is moved into position next to the box and duct that is ready to be cleaned. Our engineers then deploy the tiger's tail, which reduces the risk of damage to the outside cover of the desilting hose whilst traveling over the edge of the box or into the duct mouth itself. The hose reel is put into the freewheel position, allowing the engineer to remove a section of hose. The correct cleaning nozzle for the task is selected and is tightened onto the safety leader hose with a spanner. This blue safety leader hose is an indicator to the operator that the hose is exiting the box or manhole. This is placed through the tiger's tail and into the duct prior to startup. The machine is then operated from the digital control panel. The jump jet kit is switched on and the water on-off valve is put into the on position. The water is sent to the desilting nozzle, which then pulls the desilting hose through the duct section to be unblocked and cleared. Once the unblocking process is completed, the engineer switches the water jet off and then turns the engine off. This allows a colleague to remove the desilting nozzle and to fit the tow jet nozzle to the hose. A rope is then attached to the end of the tow jet nozzle, after which it's pulled back through the duct towards the operator with the water jet switched on. This allows a cable to be pulled back through the hole if required. These are two examples from the range of nozzles that we offer. The marrying tool allows this specialist jet to attach onto rods. The rigid extension bar is used where a potential collapse may have occurred or for a severely displaced joint. This reduces the risk of the desilting nozzle exiting the duct and traveling underground. High-efficiency nozzles can be used for the unblocking and cleaning of very long duct lengths. Following the unblocking of the duct, the engineer uses the washdown gun to clean down the section of box or manhole. All manhole covers are then replaced, barriers are removed, and the site is left safe and clean.